Here we have the 3.5-ton Arcan floor jack. I just got it from Northern Tool. So let's take a look at this and see how it goes. Here we got the floor jack. Well, a lot easier than you think. It's pretty beefy. Feels good. There's a good little screw here. That was easy enough. Halfway done. Stop. You gotta read this first. Remember, folks, lift with your knees. All right. So, secure jack handle halves together, we have remove retaining wire that holds the handle yoke in place during shipment. Six, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, rotate until the right till it stops. Okay. Pump the handle to raise the arm to maximum height without a load, then lower the arm. Look at that go. All right, there's maximum height. You actually feel the stop when you get there. And then lower the lift arm by rotating the handle to the left. Boom. The jack is now ready. All right, so here we are. My new jack, under 10 minutes from box to ready. It's not that difficult, folks. You too can do it. All right. Next, to try it out. Let y'all know what I think.